What's up, everybody? It's JR, the driveway engineer, and today I'm working on the final touches of my DIY turbo log manifold. Let's get started. See, I have it here wrapped up in the vise. The only two things I have to do to this still are decide where I want my wastegate, which I think I want it right here, but it may wind up in the exhaust housing of the turbo as well, and my O2 sensor. So the way this is going to work is the driver's side will feed over, and there will be an O2 sensor, a narrow band back there. It'll feed up and in, and there will be another narrow band right here. And then the turbo is going to sit here, and there will be a wide band on the downpipe. So yes, that will mix both banks on this O2 sensor right here. Yes, both banks will be reading off that. That's the way General Motors did it for the Grand National. It's the way they did it for the Typhoon and the Cyclone. And it's the way I'm going to do it. So, no, it's not perfect, but yes, it's the way it is. One moment. Peanut, come here. Come here, Peanut. He's nice. He's just being a dick. You guys are fine. Come on, buddy. Alright. That should be that, hopefully. Peanut! That's enough. Thank you. Come here. Right, come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Peanut, come here. You're garage dog today, buddy. Garage dog. You can lay down on this blanket or whatever. Alright. So anyway, hold on. Let me just, in case I decide I want to edit that out. Peanut's insanity. A lot of you guys seem to like Peanut, so I may well leave it. This is fairly straightforward procedure. If you've gotten this far in the build and you don't know how to drill a hole, if you're actually following along. And proceed to walk your drill all over the place. I can absolutely say if I had to do this over again, I would not do this in stainless steel. I probably said that on other videos. I absolutely mean it. This stuff is hard, like literally physically hard. It tears up your tools. DeWalt, best tools money can buy. She's on fire. Alright. Try DeWalt number 2. She's about to be on fire. Outstanding. So, two bogus fucking not digging this stainless steel stuff. Peanut escaped. Really not a fan of the smells of the garage. Perfect. So I got my hole drilled. I'll be able to take this back tomorrow and weld it up. And that's where my O2 sensor will live. And the next time you see this, I'm really leaning towards putting the blow-off valve on the exhaust housing. So next time you see this, it's probably going to be wrapped up and done. So this is JR, and I'm the Driveway Engineer. Until next time, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button. I appreciate it. See ya.